Hello students, today accountancy lecture with new topic. In last lectures we have understand introduction to partnership first, then after calculations of interest on drawing, that we have done. Now most important thing which we are going to start today, that is commission calculation, and with commission calculation what amount, what profit received by a particular partner. That both the things we are going to learn today. Now there is many important thing, and all of you know kamalsir have many methods. First, general method that all are using, that we are going to learn here. Then after kamalsir's method. By both method you can find the sum answer. You can solve sum easily. But this method, again I can say, for all the students to get marks only. But to clear the concept, kamalsir's method is very important one. And that's why first of all cover your accountancy marks. This is important for each and every student. Just remember, in this way you can solve the sum. That's it. Why in this way? Don't worry about it, because some students need only marks and they can get marks easily. But then after concept, we will clearing the concept why we are doing these things. Now starting with the point, calculation of commission and profit received by the partners. Calculation of commission. Now see here, first of all the question in this chapter. Always understand first question, then after solution will be easy. So illustration number 2, up to the last lectures we have done illustration 1 and exercise question number 3, sub question number 1, and in this lecture we are doing illustration number 2. But on the basis of this illustration number 2, you can do 6 sums from your textbook. Total 22 sums we have in this chapter. From that, on the basis of this illustration number 2, you can solve 6 sums. If you can understand whole concept, then only it is possible. Now we are starting with the sum. See again, Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay are partners. So here 3 partners are there in the partnership firm, and name of them is given: Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay. 3 are the partners. Going ahead, partners of a firm, their capital proportion is 3:1. Now generally students are taking very lightly. Sir, their proportion is 3:1. Sir, their proportion is 3:1. But please try to understand here, capital proportion is 3:1. Always understand perfectly the question. Which proportion is given to you? Here capital proportion is given 3, 2 and 1. It's a capital proportion. Here profit and loss proportion is not given to you. See whole question. In whole question no other proportion is given. Only one proportion is given, capital proportion. Now whenever there is no information about profit and loss proportion, then what should be the profit and loss proportion? Remember my lecture, past lectures, Partnership Act 1932. Remember it. If not mentioned in partnership deed, profit and loss proportion, then equal proportion is taken as the profit and loss proportion. So here capital proportion is given. We need profit and loss proportion. Then what is the profit and loss proportion? Sir, here no information is given. It means profit and loss proportion is equal proportion. So always read question and decide which proportion is given to you. And if capital proportion given, no information about P&L proportion, then take P&L proportion, equal proportion. Here three partners are there. So profit and loss proportion is 1, 1, 1. So first I write here profit and loss proportion. 1:1:1. Now whatever profit of the firm is distributed among the partners in the ratio of 1:1:1. Sometimes there is information given. Capital proportion is the profit and loss proportion. Then at that time you can take capital proportion as a profit and loss proportion because there is information given. Take profit and loss proportion as capital proportion, or capital proportion and profit and loss proportions are equal. Then you can take capital proportion as a P&L proportion. Here information not given, so apply 1932 rule. So 1932 Act, equal proportion is there. Now we are going ahead. So their capital proportion is 3:1. Now Hitesh is entitled to receive commission 10%. So here information given about partner Hitesh. So Hansa and Vijay. For Hansa and Vijay there is no information. Only information given about the Hitesh. Hitesh is entitled to receive commission 10%. But 10% of what? Hitesh will get commission 10%. But 10% of what? Sales commission. 10% of sales commission. Then first we need sales. Then calculate commission 10% on that. Commission of purchase. Then purchase commission. Purchase into 10%. Now you can say, sir, how commission on purchase is possible? If because of that particular partner purchase rate maybe decreases in compared to the market, then we have to pay commission. Whatever decrease in the rate, on that commission can be paid. Now it's just the example, but 10% commission we need to pay to Hitesh, but of which amount? So here given in red markers. Just understand 10% of net profit. 10% of net profit after deduction of his such share. 10% of net profit after deduction of his such share. Now, so what is this actually? Now whenever, just remember to do the sum. Concept I will clear later, because first of all we are confirming our marks. Then after clearing the concept, because confirming marks is for all students, and clearing the concept because student who need to clear concept, there are many, right? And some students are there, they don't want to clear, they need a marks. For that, first clearing the marks, then after we are clearing this concept. Net profit after deduction of his share, such share. Now what it means? that we are clearing later. But for current situation, whenever this information is given, commission is paid on net profit after deduction of such commission. Whenever this information given, then we are using this formula to solve sum, to calculating commission. Now what is this? Just a minute. First we are reading whole question, then after we are doing this formulas. Now, of net profit after deduction of a such share, what amount will be received by Hitesh? Now here question is not that what commission received by Hitesh. Here question is what amount received by Hitesh. What amount received by Hitesh. Now amount, why here amount is written? What commission received by Hitesh? It is not written because Hitesh is a partner. So partner get commission, right? Because here given Hitesh received a commission. Second thing, partner also get profit portion also. Partner will get profit portion also. So here for Hitesh received commission plus profit. That's why question is what amount will be received by Hitesh. What amount received by Hitesh? So Hitesh will receive commission plus profit. What about other partners? Other partners received only profit portion, and profit and loss ratio is equal proportion. Why equal proportion? Only and only because information is not given. Information given about capital proportion, not a profit and loss proportion. That's why we are taking profit and loss ratio as a equal ratio. Now, received by Hitesh, when profit of the firm is rupees 1,65,000. Here, firm's profit is given. Profit of firm. Firm's profit is given 1,65,000 rupees. If profit and loss proportion is 165, then what amount received by Hitesh? Hitesh will receive commission plus profit, both the amounts. Now how we are calculating commission? That formula is given to you here. Now we are understanding the formula and concept of this, of net profit after deduction of such commission. Now, whenever in your question giving commission 10% of net profit after deduction of his such share, whenever this statement is given, then calculation is done by these two methods. Now see, calculation of commission. In the question, what is given? Which profit is available? Sir, here 1,65,000 is available. It is an amount. But which profit is it? So 1,65,000 is profit of firm. Sir, here firm's profit is given. Here firm's profit is available. So profit of the firm 1,65,000 is given. So here two formulas are there. If profit of the firm is available, then use this first formula. If divisible profit is available, then use second formula. Sir, in this sum, profit of firm is 1,65,000 rupees. So here first formula, profit of the firm. Here written firm's profit. And second is a divisible profit. So now we don't know about firm's profit and divisible profit concept. This also we are discussing later in this lecture, but discussing later. First of all, in the question, firm's profit is available, that is clear. Yes, profit of firm is 1,65,000 rupees. So first formula is applicable. Second thing also given, profit after deduction of his such share is given as a commission. Then and then only, if this statement, that statement is given in your question, then and then only use these two formulas, any one of two, on the basis of information given to you. Firm profit is given, then this. Divisible profit is given, then this. Now, meaning of firm profit and divisible profit we are clearing today within minutes. Now, sir, to calculate commission, firm profit multiply percentage of commission divide by 100 plus percentage of commission. This is the formula first, whenever firm profit is available. Or if firm profit is not available, here divisible profit is available. Then divisible profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. In these two, only difference is one thing. Here plus percentage of commission is there. Here plus percentage of commission is not there. Only this is the difference. Now, again, whenever after deduction of such share, this statement is given in your question, at that time you can use any one formula from these two. If firm profit given, then firm profit into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission, or divisible profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. Only difference is plus percentage of commission is done only and only when firm profit is available. And if divisible profit, then plus percentage of commission we don't need to add. Now for particular sum, for this particular sum, calculation is done on the basis of first formula only. So I rough second formula and doing this sum on the basis of first formula. Sir, yes, firm profit is available. So firm profit 1,65,000. So I writing here 1,65,000 rupees. Multiply with percentage of commission. Sir, here percentage of commission given. Percentage of commission is 10%. It means into 10. Divide by 100 plus percentage of commission. So 100 plus 10. Sir, why we have added this? Because statement is given after deduction of such commission. And concept we will clear later. 1,65,000 into 10 upon 110. If 20% given, then 1,65,000 into 20 upon 120. 1,65,000, suppose commission percentage is 30. Then 1,65,000 into 30 upon 130. Whatever percentage given, then on the basis of firm profit, if you need to calculate commission, then firm profit into that percentage divided by 100 and percentage, 100 plus percentage, that is taken. So here, now solve this sum, 1,65,000 into 10 upon 110. Your answer is 15,000 rupees. So here your answer of commission is 15,000 rupees. So now this is the value of commission only. This commission is paid to Hitesh. So this commission is of Hitesh, sir. So Hitesh will get 15,000 rupees commission from the firm. But sir, your question is what? What amount will be received by Hitesh? So Hitesh will receive 15% commission plus profit also. So the profit which is distributed among the partners, that is also given to Hitesh. that is also given to Hitesh, and that's why Hitesh commission plus profit. Now calculation of profit we are doing here. What we are doing here? Calculation of profit. See here. Total profit of the firm is 1,65,000. So first of all, I writing 1,65,000 here. 1,65,000 here. Now this 1,65,000, from this commission is of rupees 15,000. So we are deducting 15,000 commission because total 1,65,000 is the profit. From that profit, 15,000 is given to Hitesh. Now, what is the remaining profit? So remaining profit is 1,50,000 rupees. Total profit of the firm 1,65,000 rupees. Now this 1,65,000 rupees, from this we are giving 15,000 commission to Hitesh. So deduction of 15,000 given to Hitesh. Now what is the remaining profit? This remaining profit is distributed among the partners. Now this remaining profit 1,50,000 we are distributing among 3 partners in that profit and loss ratio, and here profit and loss ratio is given 1, 1, 1. So this 1,50,000 we are distributing in equal proportion. So 1,50,000 divided by 3. Answer is 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. So all the partners received profit 50,000 rupees. Hansa will receive profit 50,000. Hitesh will receive profit 50,000. Vijay will receive 50,000. But some more profit as a commission received by Hitesh. So total amount of Hitesh is, so here we are writing Hitesh received commission of rupees 15,000 plus profit also 50,000, and total amount Hitesh received 65,000. So from the firm profit, all the partners received equally profit 50, 50, 50. But one extra thing, commission 15,000 received by Hitesh. So Hitesh received total 65,000 from the profit. And that is my answer. What amount will be received by Hitesh? Hitesh will receive 15,000 plus 50,000, total 65,000 rupees. Now, here my sum is completed. 3 marks is in your account. But I want to clear 2 things. And that's why this lecture will go ahead. Maybe 10-20 minutes more you have to give to me to understand that topic. This is the legal method. Which everybody doing. And this formula is firm's profit basis and divisible profit basis. This formula is given by me to understand firm's profit and divisible profit. Because in your textbook there is not given 2 formulas. And in that only profit is written. Here I give you clarity. Firm's profit, divisible profit. So first of all we have calculated this by firm's profit. Why? Because here firm's profit is available. Suppose here divisible profit is available, then on that basis also I can calculate commission. This is basically for the commission calculation. Now today I clearing your concept of firm profit and divisible profit only. For that I rough this board. Now all of you know whole sum, and in that sum you have answers of commission also. 1,60,000 is a profit and it is a firm profit, all of you know. So it's my firm profit. So my firm profit is 1,65,000 rupees. Now from this firm profit we are deducting commission, because this commission is paid to Hitesh. So 15,000 is the commission of Hitesh that we have calculated on the basis of firm profit. So what is my remaining profit? My remaining profit is 1,50,000. Now what it means? This 1,50,000 we have distributed among 3 partners, and partners' names are given to you: Hansa, Hitesh, and Vijay. This profit is distributed. This profit is divisible. That's why this 1,50,000 is called divisible profit. This 1,50,000 is called divisible profit and distributed among the partners in their P&L ratio. Here P&L ratio is not available, capital ratio available, that cannot be used. P&L ratio is equal as per Partnership Act 1932. So distributed 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 among the partners. So each and every partner received 50,000, but Hitesh is a special person who get commission also. That's why plus 15,000 received by Hitesh. Total amount received by Hitesh is 65,000. Yeah, it means it's answer for me. Total amount received by Hitesh is 65,000. But today what I need to clear to you, which is the firm profit? What is the divisible profit? So sir, firm profit 1,65,000. If we are deducting commission, then after we can distribute profit to the partners, and this profit we can distribute to the partners. That's why it is called divisible profit. That's why it is called divisible profit. The profit which can be distributed among the partners, it is called divisible profit, and it is distributed among the partners. Now this divisible profit is also called, after deduction of commission, net profit, because in this, how we have find this divisible profit? Sir, first of all, firm's profit is given. Then after we have deducted a commission, means deduction of commission. After deducting commission, this amount 1,50,000 we have received. So 1,65,000 minus 15,000 after deducting commission, this is my the profit, which is called divisible profit. So we can say after deduction of commission, net profit. Clear concept? I think everybody clear about this concept, because firm's profit, commission deducted, means commission deduct, after deduction of commission 1,50,000. So after deducting commission, there is the profit of 1,50,000. And now this is the concept what they have written here. on which profit commission is given? That is my first question. Profit of sales, then sales into 10%. Profit of commission of purchase, purchase into 10%. Here, commission on what? Commission of 10% on what? On net profit. On net profit. Which net profit? After deduction of his such share. Means after deduction of commission, whatever net profit is there, of that profit, we need to find 10% commission. So after deduction of commission, net profit. This is the profit after deduction of such commission. And if this divisible profit is available to you, then you can calculate commission on this basis directly by second formula. Second formula of commission is equal to divisible profit into percentage of profit. Percentage of commission divided by 100. Now what is the divisible profit? Divisible profit is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is my divisible profit. Into, sir, percentage of commission. Commission is 10%. So into 10 divided by 100. Or directly you can calculate in calculator. 1,50,000 into 10%. You will get the answer of commission. And that commission is 15,000 rupees. That you have already find 15,000. Because that you have find on the basis of 1,65,000. And that is firm's profit, which includes commission. And this is after deduction of commission. And after deduction of commission, 10% of what? After deduction of such commission. And that's why I make two formulas for that. Again, I repeating that formula. This concept 100% clear to you, that I sure. Now, again, I writing two formulas of commission. Sir, to find commission. Now for weak students and all students, this is very important thing. Whenever this statement is given, profit after deduction of such commission, then remember only two things, two formulas. Which profit is given to you? If firm profit is given, then firm profit into percentage, 100 plus percentage. And if divisible profit is given and this statement is given, then directly find percentage upon 100. That's it. You will get the 3 marks definitely. But concept I told you already. So on this two basis you can solve sum, you can calculate commission and total amount. How we can find that, you know all. Thank you very much. On this basis only remaining sums are possible. We will do it in next lecture. Thank you very much.